Hi everyone, it's Steph. This is my first YouTube video. I'm finally filming this video after maybe 2 years of delaying it because I've just been so busy with life. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my regular makeup. I wouldn't say it is my everyday makeup because on my everyday makeup I wouldn't put on eyeshadow. But yeah, let's get started. So I always start off with my eyes because if you make a mistake, you can easily remove it without destroying other products on your face. And I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I use the Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Waterproof Eyeliner. I've actually been putting eyeliner since I was in year 11. When I was starting out putting on eyeliner, I was trying on different types of eyeliner. So I first used the felt tip pens, and then I found gel eyeliner, and then I started using liquid eyeliner, which was my least favorite when I started putting on eyeliner because it was actually hard for me to use liquid eyeliner when I was starting out. This is a very good drugstore eyeliner, and it's cheap and it's really worth the price. So you see how I smudged it? I've always used this trick, and I just take a wet wipe, cover my nail, and I'll just wipe it very gently, and you can easily erase it with just this, and you can even shape it if you want it sharper. Fold it so it gives you a bit of an edge, and then you can just... So the next step is my eyebrows, and I use the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. It's in the shade medium, and with just an angled brush I'm going to outline it with the gel and then fill it in later with a powder. My eyebrows are so bushy right now because I haven't been able to get them threads. So they're naturally shaped right now. I always make this face when I do my eyebrows. So after I fill in my brows, I'm just gonna take the brow mascara by NYX in the shade Brunette. I'm going to move on to my face, and I only use concealer because I stopped using foundation months ago because I wanted my skin to breathe. And I used a Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 190. I'm just going to apply it very lightly because it is very high coverage. So I'm just going to do little dots on the areas where I need to conceal. So my fingers are clean. I'm just going to use my fingers for this. I stopped using a beauty blender because I don't put on foundation anymore. So if I need to put on more concealer, I'm just going to apply a second layer, but instead of wiping it, I'll just pat it. I have a lot of red marks because I broke out last year. It was because of my diet, and I was mostly eating seafood because I was pescatarian. And I found that seafood breaks me out after 9 months of being a pescatarian. So I'm going to take the Morphe eyeshadow palette. This is the Nature Glow 350 palette. So it has a bit of shiny colors and then some matte colors. So I'll just put on mascara now before I put my inner eye highlighter and my waterline. And I used the Maybelline Colossal Go Extreme mascara. So next I'm going to do my blush, and I used the Morphe blush. It's called Spirit. And then I move on to my highlighter. For my lips, I'm going to take Morphe's lip gloss. It's called Pixie, and this is my go-to lip gloss because it's a dark nude. I find that lipsticks can be such a hassle, so when I found this lip gloss, I fell in love with it because it doesn't dry my lips. And the last step, I'm going to take Too Faced Hangover setting spray. It's a 3-in-1 setting spray because it primes, sets, and refreshes, apparently. So this is what it looks like. This is my regular go-to makeup. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll do more videos. Who knows?